Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches, for example. You can try to force restart it and just by pressing the power button, which is located right here, and the volume up button together, and wait until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let's try to soft reset our device. We have to press both of those buttons simultaneously. And as you can see, we've got this reset option at the top. However, let's pretend that we cannot tap on it and we cannot do anything and pick this option. So keep pressing the button still. We've got the black screen and I'd like to keep pressing it still because I'm not really sure whether it works or not. As you can see, we've got the developer's logo, so I can safely release the fingers, and in a second our device will be restarted and hopefully it will work perfectly fine. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.